It's, something terrible, right?
Your behavior is lacking, got it? How did you find me anyway?
When we were together, you taught me a phrase in Chinese. It was, 天下无难事，只怕有心人. Listen, I know I hurt you. I didn't mean to. It was the last thing in the world that I wanted to do, but it happened. And I am sorry, because I love you.
That's enough. We already divorced. Don't bring it up anymore.
Technically, we're not divorced,
I already signed the divorce papers.
but I didn't.
你没签？
No. And when I heard that you had come to China, and that my company had a job opening here, I took it. So now I'm here and I'm not going anywhere. I hope that decision and the time that I spend here can convince you to take me back. And the first very small step is that you have to stop hating me.
You are a liar. Fuck off.
All right. Okay. Not today. But soon. I'll be back.
你是否也曾莫名酸涩？
出来吧。出来。
冬眠，有些人走了就再也不会回来了。等待和犹豫是这个世界上最无情的杀手。你说人麦克多好啊，千里迢迢的来找你，一见面你就给人泼一身冷水。
就是啊，干什么呀？你想，人家麦克多好啊，要外形有外形，要事业有事业，关键是面对女人的诱惑毫不动摇。这样的男人谁不喜欢呀？
谁喜欢谁拿走，不稀罕。
你这是什么态度啊？
就是啊，你到底怎么回事啊你？当初死乞白赖非要嫁给人家的是你，现在恩断义绝的也是你，你俩到底怎么？